I'm absolutely thrilled to share my experience with the Skinfix Barrier Balancing Water Cream Moisturizer. I've been using this product for a significant period, and I'm blown away by the incredible boost in my skin's softness. From the very first application, I noticed a transformation in my skin. It's like a new layer of softness and hydration has been unlocked. The formula is lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling clean and refreshed. I love that it's fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it perfect for sensitive skin. What really impressed me was the significant reduction in oiliness, especially in my T-zone. I used to blot my face constantly throughout the day, but now my skin stays balanced and even. The addition of hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting hydration, keeping my skin looking plump and healthy. I've also noticed a reduction in visible redness, thanks to the balancing complex. Overall, I'm thoroughly enjoying this product, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer that delivers real results.